Hey guys, Talon here, and today I'm going to be working on my project with the Bolt Hackathon, AI Hackathon. Let me get rid of some unnecessary windows here. Sorry. There we go. So, first things first is getting our project set up. They provided some nifty things for us that we can use with free credits and stuff. I've already set myself up with Bolt Pro and their free promo for a month. So that was all taken care of already. I just went to my subscription and then I selected this one and did the rest. So right now I've got 11 million tokens to try out for this hackathon, and hopefully that'll be enough. But in the meantime as well, I will also pull up my ChatGPT because that's free. And as you can see, I've used it a lot. Let's hide that for now. Okay, so I'm going to use ChatGPT to help start me up, and then use my Bolt AI to create my project. Let's see. But before I do all that, I also want to create like notes for myself. So I just have like a little untitled notes here. Kind of like a dev notes. I haven't seen if Bolt has like a nice nifty area for that, especially if I haven't started a project yet. So, and what I'm trying to do for this one is I want to create something from scratch, which is the mandatory thing. I need to use Bolt to create something from scratch. There is a section in the hackathon where they will reward projects that is able to create something spectacular via a single prompt. So that's why I haven't started anything yet. I am going to attempt for my first go through to see how much I can do with a single prompt. So to do that, I'm going to set myself up for success. So checking out all of these things, I'm going to check out my token usage. It's going to take a lot of my tokens right away, which is one of the reasons why I wanted to do this right away. Having that single prompt action go, because after that, I'm going to have to use ChatGPT or other methods in order to finish the project. So let's see, line wrapping, good. Don't need teams. These are amount of tokens that I have. Applications. Okay, so one of the things that I want to do is I already applied Supabase, and Supabase is the database that I might want to use, for example, with like login authorizations and collecting data to use in the back end. I've already created an account with Supabase, but I don't think I made Supabase's free credits yet. I'll have to check that, but that's already connected. I have not made a Netlify because that is my domain name info and whatnot. I haven't integrated my Figma, and I might do that now. I think I'll do that now. So Figma, Figma is a really nifty tool for wireframing, designing, and all that stuff. I'm going to create a brand new, and I use a free account for Figma. So I'm going to make a new, let's see. And create a new one, new team, and call it Bolt Hackathon for now. I'm going to skip collaborators and use free, and that will give me my starter packet here. Cool. So I have this. Let's see if I can integrate it. I've already put in my GitHub too as well. So that's all good. Okay, I'm going to connect my Figma. See if I can connect my Figma. I'm going to allow access. It's connecting. That went pretty smooth. Okay then. Well, shoot. That was cool. Well, all right. Okay. They did mention in one of their videos that I should probably use diffs as I'm going. I'm going to leave it for now. So this is the big parts. I'm going to want to put in project specific. Well, let's see. Yeah, I have to make a project first, but project specific and then global specific prompting, so that so that my bot, my AI, can return to these instructions over and over again. So for this project, because I want to do a single prompt, I think I'm going to just use the global system prompt for now. And I'm going to do some things like use the following tech stack when creating a new project. I'm going to use ChatGPT to kind of help me out here. Let's think about it. So Supabase, let's see. Some free things that we have going is Supabase and whatnot. Help me, okay, so ChatGPT, help me to write a MCP instruction for Bolt AI IDE. This should include instructions for using a specific tech stack. The stack includes Supabase for data storage and off, 0, etc. And we're going to use Netlify for web launch and hosting. We're going to use Revenue Cat for earning revenue features. What else? entry. Okay, we will entry for custom domain. I might not need that actually, because that will be configured later. API credits from Algorand for blockchain. Okay, Algorand blockchain network. And API. Looks like we also have 11 labs, which is cool for creating voice cloning using AI. Pro Access Pika. What is Pika? Not familiar with Pika. Pika. Empower 20,000 who are building the future of AI with Pika's platform. One line of code integrates AI framework support for LangChain MCP or Cell, fit into your current setup. Natural language integrations. And drop in connect components. Let users securely connect their favorite apps in a plaid-like user-friendly way. I'm not entirely sure what Pika is. Agentic automate. Oh, here. I think I gotta share my screen there. Okay. Pika is build agentic automatic automations fast. Build agentic automations fast. Okay. Okay, so this automates all my AI agents. Got it. Plug AI into your own data. Got it. SDKs, LangChain, Vercel, and more. One tool for every API call. Auth kit. Build kit. App Store as a service. It's kind of cool. I'd have to mess with this more. Not entirely sure. Let's see. Okay, so I can connect my agents to any of these different places. So I could Affinity, CRM, Blue Sky, Calendly, Clover, Dropbox, 11 Labs. There's 11 Labs. GitHub. There's Google's Gemini, Gmail, Google's HubSpots, MailChimp's, Make, Meta, OpenAI. I don't have any API subscriptions with OpenAI, so I don't need that one. Notion. Perplexity. Postgres. QuickBooks, Salesforce. These are cool. Shopify Legacy, Shopify Storefront, Square, Slack, Stripe, Teams. There's Supabase, Typeform, Trello, Vercel, Webflow. Okay, Zoho, Zendesk. Okay, cool. It integrates with quite a lot of stuff. Mostly production, not necessarily. I think Blue Sky might be the only social, really, social app. But that's good to know. Okay, so there's Pika. I don't really need Pika right now, I think. Because I don't know whether or not I want to do too much AI stuff. I'm not sure yet. Sentry is another one. And Sentry, oh. I'm going to have to make an account in order to look at this. There you go. Okay, let's check out what Sentry is first. Code breaks. This is fun. Fix it faster. Application monitoring software. Considered not bad by 4 million developers. Okay, so this is a dashboard. Looks like it just kind of checks out errors. Make sure your errors are okay. Oh, define problems fast. It's a good way to audit, looks like. GitHub, Disney, Atlassian, Vercel, Autodesk, Duolingo, Cursor. They all use this as a way of tracing, code coverage, session replay, error monitoring. It's a good way to debug and audit. Oh yeah, see, error monitoring, root causes, entire team informed with the Slack. Okay, this is cool. It's for debugging purposes. It's probably a good practice to get this set up. And it looks like Sentry, we have 6 months of monitoring with Sentry as a promo. Cool. I don't need to put this in now, I think. This is for later. Expo, that's for mobile deployment testing. Can do that later. Lingo, localizing your app in 85 plus languages. You can also do that later. Zapier, AI search and custom co-pilots. Monetize with native ads or go ad free. Interesting. 21st Dev. I do want 21st Dev, but I believe let's see. I think 21st. Oh, okay. Right now I have the free plan. And it looks like the promo code that they offer is a 50% discount for a year, which is pretty dang good. So if I get this for a year, I get 50% off. That's kind of cool. I'll think about it. It's very tempting. Yeah, yearly. Otherwise, it's 20 and 40 a month. Oh boy. But then I get unlimited UI inspirations, AI component generation, unlimited SVG logo search. That's cool. Premium components. This one includes 50 tokens. This one's 200 tokens. Guess it's for the AI generation. 5 free a month. Don't get any premium components in there. That's with the Magic MCP. Oh, okay, so it would search for me, and UI inspirations for me, component generation for me. Well, let's try with just the free for now, because I don't think I need. Pretty sure I can like pull let's get started. Let's see if I can set up this Magic MCP. Add MCP server configuration. Click the plus add new global server button. Copy paste this. Copy. Okay. Maybe I'll just put that in there. Global prompt. Save. I don't know if this is where it should be. Oh, this is cursor. Okay, so that was for cursor. Install in your IDE. CP. Oh, so it's not available in bolts yet. Okay, that's why. That's why. Yeah. Okay, so this MCP only works with like cursor right now. It doesn't work in both. That's good to know. So I wouldn't need that then, I guess. All right. Well, okay. Maybe it would be smart enough. Maybe this will be smart enough, perhaps. 21st dev UI components. It's for UI components. If possible. Otherwise, use other free resources like Daisy UI or Tailwind CSS. Okay, so that's for UI. River, I don't need to host community events. Dev++. Neon and .fun domains. Ooh, cool. free 1 year Dev++ membership. $150 in free Tavis credits, and that's for an AI chatbot. Okay, well, I don't need to do AI stuff too much right now, I think that's good. Let's see, network. Blockchain network. And API, else use Alchemy, because I do enjoy using Alchemy, or third web. And I also have a third web account just in case. Let's see, for earning revenue features. Okay, so let's see, back end wise. Got my Web3 Algorand or Alchemy and third web. Else use, let's say, Shape network, because Shape is super cheap. Using Gimme or Gimme APIs or third web. I think third web works with. Okay, so I've got backend storage, launching, host launching. Okay, I don't have language info. Okay, so let's do React. JavaScript. TypeScript. Languages. Yarn. Nodes. Yarn dependencies. Library. Deployments. Add, ask about any other tech stack tools I am missing may need to input. Let me just double check. Tech stacks like Earn and Need, etc. JavaScript, and MongoDB Express Angular. Mern. Okay, probably like a Mern. I do end up using Mern a lot. Which tech stack uses Yarn? I guess it does use Mean and Earn too. Yarn is using managed depending on all these components. Oh. I guess I can use that with node, perhaps? I don't know. I'm a noob. I'm not sure. Okay, yarn. Yarn. Just for consistency. Else node. Okay, all right, this should be good to kind of help me get it started. And then we can go from here. But at least I'm using AI outside of Bolt to help me figure out my prompt for when I actually build with Bolt. So this is, here we go. Draft of an MCP instruction for Bolt AI IDE for my specific tech stack. Okay, project focus. Scalable modern 3D adds a full stack functionality. Clean UI UX, social features, and monetization support. TypeScript, React for front end, JavaScript for smaller scripts. React follow modular design. Yep. Package management, Yarn for dependency management. Else node, okay. Backend off. Superbase default backend. Database off, file storage, real-time functionality. Advanced use auth 0. Hosting and deployment, Netlify. Include build scripts in Netlify config if needed. Prefer serverless functions. For backend logic when handled by Superbase. Monetization. So webhooks. Blockchain, Algorand for smart contract and wallet interactions. LC shape network, open your third web. Was abstract blockchain login to clean service layers. UI components. Refer 21st Dev UI. LC's Daisy with Tailwind. Consistency and accessibility. Guidelines. ENVs for environment variables. Follow semantic versionings. Document all new components and integrations in docs folder or readme. I'd prefer readme because I'm going to end up deploying to GitHub and make this open source. Additional tech tools to confirm. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Yeah. Form handling, testing, state management, probably ZooStand. Testing. I'm not sure on testing. Not picky. CI/CD, GitHub, yeah. Error. Okay, let's continue that then. It looks good. Let's advise ZooStand for state management. I believe state management is also handled for, but blockchain it's different. State managements are all on chain. Blockchain states should be solidity Solidity as the smart contract. And wood. Solidity for smart contracts. And boundary. Let's use hard hat. Must be able to integrate. Must be able to integrate with GitHub through the terminal. Sentry for monitoring and whatever free analytics is available for. Let me know if I am missing anything else. Okay. Rewriting. Superbase for Postgres. QL. Authentication real-time file storage. And then auth0 if not. Hosting and deployment. Netlify. Toml. Monetization, blockchain, Solidity smart contracts, Foundry for compile, hard hat if not, Algorand is primary, Sheep network, UI standing prefer 21st dev, monitoring. Dev tool integrations must support GitHub. Include pipelines via actions. No, I don't need to do actions right now. Testing meh. I know I should be doing testing. I don't know. Farm libraries. Internationalization. Support if targeting global users. Okay, well. Okay, so this is good. I think this is good for now. Let's see if this will accept it. And let's rewrite this. Okay. State management. Make it clean. Just cleaning all this up. I don't know whether or not Bolt will enjoy all these emojis. and whatnot, but it's okay. We're testing. This is kind of the first time I'm using Bolt this extensively. I tried it a little while ago. It was a little too simple for me. I needed something a little bit more similar to like VS Code, which is why I gravitated towards Cursor. But because of this hackathon, I'm going to try my best to use Bolt as much as possible. Okay, so this should work. It's a global system prompt for now. Let's see. UI styling. Package management, state management, backend hosting, deployment, monetization, interacting, folders. I'll put it in here. Separate files by client and server folders. Maybe rewrite that. Separate into separate folders into client, shared, and server. Separate into client, shared, and server folders. Files. Separate files into client, shared, and server folders. I feel like I'm still missing something. GitHub, environmental, clients, shared, server folders. Okay, well, let's save this for now. At least I know that's in there. Okay, network, back up. Okay, so I think we're good to go here. Now that I have that in here, let's see. What do I want to make? All right, well, I'm going to make a new video for that part, and we'll go from there.